Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Paddington's Pantry, where my puppy Paddington and I make dog-friendly treats. Paddington is not here right now. He and his sister Treacle are at their grandparents' house, so I'm all alone with this intro. I am sorry. But today we're making pumpkin spice lattes for dogs. Before I start, there is no coffee in this. There are also no spices in this because they're not the best for dogs. This is dog-friendly. Don't give your dog your actual pumpkin spice latte. Anyways, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to grab some whipping cream, and we are not using pre-whipped whipped cream. We are using whipping cream, which is just the cream. When you go to Starbucks and you grab a puppuccino, that's the weirdest noise that came out of my mouth. It is whipped cream, I believe, from a can, and it is sweetened, but we don't want to give the dogs any more sugar than they need, so this is just pure cream. So you want to beat it with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. It whips easiest when it's cold, so keep the cream in the fridge until you're ready to whip it. Then once you reach stiff peaks, just return it to the fridge while you make the lattes themselves. So to make the lattes, you'll need 1 part plain Greek yogurt that is full fat and unsweetened. We don't want to give the dogs any artificial sweetener because that is toxic to them. So all you want are just like very, very simple ingredients. I think it's like bacterial milk culture and like skim milk. I think that's it. So not non-fat either, because you can have different additional additives with that. So you want 1 part of that. 1 part canned pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, because that has additives and like seasonings and everything like that, as well as 2 parts of water. So you just want to mix that together in a glass. You can see Paddington is very, very excited. And then pour it into your little mug or cup of choice, whatever you like for your puppy. Then you want to grab the whipped cream and pop it into a piping bag fitted with a star-shaped piping tip. This is optional, you can just like dollop it on top, but I think that this makes it like extra cute. And then just pipe a little swirl on top and give it to your puppies and you are done. So this is basically like pumpkin yogurt, like watery pumpkin yogurt, but I think it would be really, really cute to give it to your dogs while you're having your own pumpkin spice latte, and they can enjoy the fall as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. I hope you like me and Paddington's matching sweaters. It was like 20 degrees when I was filming it and I was pouring sweat, but he's a trooper, and he had a sweater on for like 5 minutes, so it was okay. But anyways, if you'd like to see some more Paddington's pantry recipes, I'll have the playlist linked in the end of the video here, probably down there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any requests for any other dog treats, let me know. I have a Harry Potter themed one coming soon, and it is going to be amazing, so definitely stay tuned for that.